Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate comparing numbers using place value. So we have 579 and 692. And we're going to be comparing all three place values, ones, tens, and hundreds. We're going to start with the hundreds place value. We have 5 in that place value for this number and 6 in this place value for this number. 6 is larger than 5. So if we're comparing the hundreds place value, 692 would be larger. Now, if we want to compare the tens place value, we have 7 and 9. 9 is larger than 7, so again, 692 would be the larger number. Now let's look at the ones place value. We have 9 and 2. In this place value, we have a larger number over here. We have 9 here and 2 here. So if we're comparing the ones place value, 579 would be the larger number. If you guys liked what you learned in this video today, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you do not miss anything.